Hi, brothers and sisters. What you just witnessed here is a creepy message delivered in Morse Code, and it was posted on Twitter, supposedly having a connection with the Transformers 5 movie before it came out. So the point here is to show an example of how the enemy's plan is manifesting itself in the physical. There are so many messages that I've received from the Lord revealing this transhuman Mark of the Beast agenda. And this latest one is just one more to add on to all the other revelation. All glory to God for all that He has shown us, all the warnings, and also all the reassurance that He has poured out upon His own. And now I will go ahead and share the latest from the Lord. So the dream starts out with cyborgs everywhere, and their communication was through Morse Code. I heard the Lord say Morse Code. And the Morse Code was being computated and delivered at the speed of thought, at a frequency out of the human hearing range. And these cyborgs, they did not have their individuality. They did not have a mind of their own, of course. They were just being completely controlled by the system that was in place. So I had done some searching, and I found some interesting things that I want to share with you guys. This is from a clip in one of the Transformers movies where the man that's attempting to send a message through a radio system tells the woman that it's not working. So the woman asks the man to hotwire the computer to transmit a tone through the radio. He asks, "What's that?" or "What type of tone or signal?" And she tells him that it's Morse code. And my friends, humans are the radio receiver. This is the concept of population control in the beast system.